Good morning from us. It's 7. She's having the chicken and tuna we bought yesterday from Imat. Duck. You can see. You can see lah. Switch off the flash. Last night, Hillary sent me a message quite late actually. Hillary is not feeling well. Got something like the flu bug that she tested herself for COVID, but it's negative. That she doesn't have an appetite because I replied and said, please let me know if you need anything or feel like eating anything. She replied and said, doesn't have an appetite, is feeling very weak. All the symptoms sounded like what I had in July. She started feeling sick on Saturday. Started feeling sick on Saturday. Told her to rest now. I know how bad it was. Felt so sad. Then I cried myself to sleep. I woke up at 6:09. Nah, this one woke me up. And then she went back to sleep. Okay, I'm going to start boiling water. Have my coffee. I felt I had something I wanted to say. I forgot. I still have a lot of replying to do. I will continue replying. I woke up at 6:09. I was sitting on the bed till 6:45 replying to the both of you. I will continue while having my coffee. My body is aching. I go first, huh? Love you. I gotta eat.